गोंयाक वेलनेस टुरिजमाचे केंद्र करपाची मोख राज्य सरकारान दवरल्या अशें विधान मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हाणें केलां. ते 9व्या वर्ल्ड आयुर्वेद काँग्रेस परिशदेच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्यात मुखेल सोयरे म्हणून उलयताले. आयुर्वेद उपचार पद्दत जागतीक म्हळ्यार भारताच्या उपचार पद्दतीचो प्रसार करता अशें मुखेलमंत्र्यान म्हटलां. ह्या परिशदेंत जगातल्या 35 देशांच्या प्रतिनिधींनी वांटो घेतलो.
With the continuous support of the central government, and Goa state has got the honor of having second All India Institute of the Medical Science Ayush Hospital. This hospital also undergraduate and postgraduate PhD course wherein the local Goan students will have 50% of the reservation in admission. Ayurveda, in my opinion, is the biggest ambassador of brand India in the world arena. We all perform the various roles as a student, teachers, researchers, practitioners, manufacturers, distributors, etc. And being the stakeholders in the field of Ayurveda, it is our duty to propagate this system of medicine. Being an Ayurvedic practitioner myself, I have supported the endeavor of making Goa as a prominent place for the wellness tourism. We have started the Ayush Wellness Center at all primary health centers in Goa and have posted the Ayush doctors at these places.